Hey guys, so those cars are pretty old and didn't smell too good, so I made myself a sandwich. Feeling better, so I'm gonna keep doing some of the unboxing. So this one, it's got Blana, Kim, and Tuvik. Get this open. This one I got Janeway, and let's see what else. Oh, Jetrel. He looks like he got burned or maybe bit by a bug. Oh, here's a trivia contest. Cool. So it says, to relax, Captain Janeway has been participating in a holo novel set in ancient England. She's playing the part of what? If you know, go ahead and leave a comment or like. And here's how you enter the trivia contest. There's Voyager, Fusion, Room, it's a bioneural gel pack. Looks like big space meteor. There's Chakotay and Voyager. Oh, this is when Janeway is doing her holodeck, and it's sticky. And then there's Kess and Kleenex. Alright, thanks guys, bye.